Today we're going to be changing the heating element in the bottom of your dishwasher. To start, you're going to want to turn off the water at the valve right there. You'll see a little hose going off to the side, going into the wall over there. There's also the plug to the dishwasher located right there, so you're going to want to unplug that. If you don't have a plug and it's wired straight, you're going to need to pop the breaker and turn it off. Then you also have this hose right here going to the garbage disposal. So you're going to want to disconnect that also. If you just ran your dishwasher, you're going to make sure you have a towel, because you're going to probably leak a little water. So you're going to want to take the knob off, the nut off, loosen it up. Should get to a point where you'll be able to undo it with your hand. Put it off to the side. That's where you're going to want to rag at. Then you're going to use the nut driver. Take off this drain hose. And it pops off like so. Then make sure you unplug it. And then you'll be ready to remove the dishwasher. So on to the next one. Next, you remove the Phillips holding it in. Now your dishwasher should slide on out. Just like so. Alright. All the way in the back right here, you have your wire nuts. These are just clipped in, so you're going to pull them out. Take your 3/4 wrench, and start slowly taking off the plastic nuts. You probably can get to a point where you can twist it by hand, like so. That's one. Alexa, be quiet. Alexa, stop. Stupid Alexa, no one was talking to her. Alright, now that you have both plastic nuts off, you should be able to go to the top. You should be able to come out and pull the old element completely out, just like that. your new element should slip right in. Don't forget to slip it underneath. Make sure your gaskets are in place. It should slip right into the clips. And you should be able to push right down into it, like so. Your clips are installed. It slid right in. And now we go back to the bottom. You take your two nuts, the plastic nuts that came with the new one. You stick them on the hole. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Slowly get on there till it's easily tightened with your hand. Do both sides. You want to take your nut, your wrench, and tighten the nuts, just gradually. Remember, you don't want them too tight. But you want to make sure that gasket gets set, so it doesn't leak. Then you want to take the clips, push them back on. They should just slide right on, just like they slid right off. And now you're ready to put everything back together. This is what you're going for right here, this piece. There's one on each side. Just make sure you got tight, nice and tight, not too, not over tighten it. Make sure it's just nice and tight. Make sure your clips are back on firmly and not loose. That's all you're looking for. Don't forget to stick your two holding screws back into place. Won't tilt. Put your drain back onto your garbage disposal. Snug it on there nice and tight. Clamp down your clamp. Connect your water hose back onto the valve. know if you can see it, but it's right there. Tighten it back up. Turn your water back on at the valve. And plug it back up. And now you check for leaks. It has power again, so we hit start. And then you wait to see what happens. Check for leaks underneath, check for leaks over in the piping area, and just watch it as it cycles. So it ran its whole cycle. Now it's in the drying phase. Heat it dry. You want to check it. You can see the steam coming out of it. You can feel the heat coming out of it. If you really want to check it, take a glass and you can see the steam rolling around the edges of that glass. You can see that glass full of moisture. And you fixed your heating element. And now your dishwasher's drying again.